Good afternoon, students. Myself Desh Sharma, and today for 10th class we are going to take a new topic. Our topic for today is subject verb एग्रीमेंट कि सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के बीच में जो एग्रीमेंट होता है वो. दिस इज आवर टॉपिक सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट. So what is this? What is this subject verb agreement? When we speak or write a sentence, so in a sentence we use verb according to the subject. We use verb according to the subject. If our subject is singular, then we will take singular verb. Okay? If our subject is singular, then we will use singular verb. And if our subject is plural, then we will use plural verb. So there are some rules and regulations to fulfill this agreement. What are these rules? So there are some main points for using this agreement. For example, when subjects are joined by and. When two subjects are joined by and, they will take plural verb. दो subjects हैं जिनको हम plural से join करते हैं, they will take plural verb. वो हमारी plural verb को carry करेंगे. For example, the cow and the goat are grazing. In this sentence we have two subjects, one is cow and the another is the goat, and these two subjects are joined with and. These are plural, so we will use are with the subjects. So the main points करेंगे हम इसको. First is subject are joined by and, then we will use plural verb. Plural verb को फिर हम यूज करते हैं. Our second point is we will use plural nouns हैं कुछ. Plural nouns, for example, mathematics, politics, aerobics, news, एट्सेट्रा. कि इस टाइप की जो नाउन है जो हमें प्लूरल लगती हैं, they are used as a singular noun and they will take singular verb. ये singular verb को अपने साथ कैरी करती हैं. For example, this news is not true. Mathematics is a hard subject for me. Yeah, mathematics is a hard subject. some plural nouns like this, they are not taken as plural, they carries singular verb. Next point is when two subjects express one idea. Two subjects हैं, we have two subjects but they express one idea. वो एक ही आइडिया को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, एक्सप्रेस वन आइडिया. We use singular verb with it. Singular verb. For example, rice and curry is my favorite dish. Rice and curry is my favorite dish. Slow and steady wins the race. है ना, इस टाइप से जो सेंटेंस होते हैं, टू सब्जेक्ट्स एक्सप्रेस वन आइडिया, देन वी विल यूज सिंगुलर वर्ब विद इट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज व्हेन सब्जेक्ट्स आर जॉइंड बाय either or, neither nor, then we will use verb according to the subject. Subject के according हम subject according to the subject. For example, we have sentence either he or his friend is coming. या तो वो आ रहा है या फिर उसका दोस्त आ रहा है. Either he or his friend is coming. Our next point is the name of a country. The name of a country. For example, जैसे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स है, यूनाइटेड नेशंस है ना, तो ये नेम ऑफ ए कंट्री है, बट दे आर लुकिंग एज प्लूरल, बट दे आर नॉट ट्रीटेड एज प्लूरल. नेम ऑफ ए कंट्री है, टाइटल ऑफ ए बुक, टाइटल ऑफ ए बुक, प्ले, म्यूजिकल कंपोजिशन, musical compositions are used as singular. For example, the Arabian Nights contains many stories, किसके अंदर काफ़ी सारी स्टोरीज हैं. Our next point is when two subjects are joined by as well as or with. As well as and with. जब इन से हमारे सेंटेंस कंबाइन किए जाते हैं, then we use the verb according to the first subject. Verb will be according to the फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट, जो सेंटेंस में हमारा फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग होगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ईच ऑफ द watermelons या each of the man was busy या each of the man is busy। अब यहाँ पे each भी है man भी है, तो हमें man को नहीं देखना है, हमें क्या बताया each of the man कि वहाँ पे जितने भी man प्रेजेंट है उनमें से हर एक के लिए वो चीज़ है, तो वी विल यूज was with each। Our next point is when two or more subjects are joined by together with and not besides, then the verb will be, then our verb will be singular, जो हमारी verb होगी वो singular होगी। For example, no one besides Sohan knows this secret। Our next point is when plural noun shows one quantity, plural noun shows one quantity, नाउन प्लूरल है लेकिन वो एक ही क्वांटिटी को शो कर रही है, देन इट इज़ ट्रीटेड एज सिंगुलर एंड इट विल टेक सिंगुलर वर्ब। तो ये हमारी क्या देगी, सिंगुलर वर्ब को कैरी करती है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 rupees is a very small amount। So these are some basic rule while we are attempting subject verb agreement। I hope students you have understood this topic। Thank you students।